We're looking at a 130-day dry-aged Wagyu brisket. We got to take all this off. Sharp knife. I'm gonna go ahead, cut straight down. Look at that deep red. Round this off here. Nice flexible knife. Pretty clutch. Wait till you see this shot here. What? Literally never done this before, but we're gonna go ahead. This has been dry aging for upwards of 130 days. Way longer than I think anyone would recommend. I'm not gonna say that was easy. Underneath is just this beautiful, deep red Wagyu beef. I mean, this is, you know, whether this is gonna turn out delicious or funky, yet to be determined, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna do it together.